What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I'm actually going to be taking the Evo to its first event here in America. It's actually a drift event, and obviously I'm not going to be drifting, but I wanted to get the car out, hopefully meet some people, network a little bit. But before I do so, I'm going to pull the car out, we're going to clean it, and I finally got the license plate for the car, so we're going to throw that on and then hit the road. So stay tuned. So in a previous video, I showed you guys the Sonax wheel cleaner, and it did a really good job on the inky PF01s that I have on the Evo. And then I actually picked this up. I saw this at Walmart. I didn't know Walmart was carrying Chemical Guy stuff, but I want to give this a shot and see if we can get the wheels a little bit cleaner. If not, I know the Sonax works, so we're going to get the car out. I'm going to hit the wheels, and then we'll see how this stuff is compared to the Sonax. Granted, the wheels aren't as dirty as they were when I cleaned them originally. However, I've been driving pretty frequently now, and there has been some brake dust, so they do need a cleaning. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. All right, got the Evo out, sprayed it down, sprayed the wheels down, got all the loose dirt and debris and all that good stuff off. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit them with the Chemical Guy's Diablo wheel cleaner and see how this stuff works compared to the Sonax. Oh, that's more of like a jet. Let me see if I can get a spray on here. Guess that's really the only setting. It actually smells good. The Sonax smells like crap, I'm not gonna lie. For those that have used it, you guys know. But that bad chemical smell, to me, actually makes me feel like it actually does something and works. It smells kind of fruity. I don't know why you need a fruity smelling spray on your wheels. See what the first wheel's looking like. Literally smells like bubble gum. And I think this wheel, this is the worst one. Even after the Sonax, still had kind of like this dirty hue to it. So we'll see if we can brighten it up. Ultimately, I think I'm gonna paint the wheels black. What do you guys think? We'll give it like 3 or 4 minutes to let it do its thing, if it does anything at all. All right, if I'm being honest, I think the Chemical Guy stuff was kind of a bust. I think it would be good on maybe just like your newer wheels that have some brake grime on there, but I feel like really any wheel cleaner can clean them. I know there's cheaper options out there. I think that bottle was like $9. And I even scrubbed, and it really didn't do anything at all. So now we're gonna pull out the heat right here, the wheel cleaner from Sonax, and I'm gonna use some gloves on this one because this stuff smells insane. I don't know how to describe it. Go get yourself a bottle and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, but definitely want to wear gloves with this one. There's like warnings all over it, so better be safe than sorry. All right, guys, so the Evo is looking super clean. I mean, the paint's only a few months old, so can't really expect anything less. And now is a very, not sad time, but time to make this Evo 3 officially American. I love the Tokyo 2020 JDM plate, or Japanese plate. However, the time has come to officially put on the Georgia tag. It's not just any Georgia tag. Check this out. Hobby antique vehicle. So it has a little Model T on here. I thought it'd be pretty funny, but it's black and white. It goes with the color scheme I'm going for, and in order to qualify for this plate in the state of Georgia, the vehicle has to be 25 years old. And ironically, in order to get this car to America, it has to be 25 years old. So boom, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. I'm gonna take this off, and then over here, whenever I get my workbench all set up, I'm gonna actually probably like mount my plates, the one that I got from Guam and Japan and Portugal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and put the new one on. Yeah, got the Georgia plate on. Unfortunately, the width of the bolts is a little bit more narrow than the Japanese plate. So right now I only have the one bolt up here on the top right on. So I'm gonna have to figure out some sort of solution. My JDM guys, what did you do? Or was your state the same size as a Japanese plate? I don't know, the Georgia plate. It's pretty small, but overall I think it looks really good. And man, it looks like a different car. I don't even recognize it, but I do like the black and white. And it's an antique plate, pretty cool. I'm gonna hop in the car now, and we're gonna go head to this event and see what kind of cool stuff we can find, if anything, but only one way to find out. All right, guys, so we finally made it to the drift event. I don't know if you can hear behind me all the tires squealing and whatnot, but check this out. I pulled in, I got the Evo parked right here, and then over here, Evo 10, and the owner of the Evo 10 was actually stationed in Okinawa and had an Evo as well. So we'll go ahead and check out his 10 real quick, but check out the plate in the front, it's pretty cool. Such a small world. But man, he just picked this up, super, super clean. And I was driving, because the entrance way over here, and I was coming all the way around over here, and I saw an Evo. I was like, cool, I know Evo's not gonna be drifting, so let me go say what's up. And I was like, wait a minute, I recognize this Evo. Small world, small world. He's actually stationed south of where we're at, and I'm stationed a little bit further north, so we're kind of in the middle right now. But the Evo's out here, turning a lot of heads pulling in here, but I'm trying to keep it low key and park it in the back. Well, yeah, let's go ahead and check out some drifting. What? S15? A lot of cool cars out here, and this is just an amateur event. It was open to anybody, and it goes all day. I think it's a 24-hour event, so there's gonna be non-stop drifting till tomorrow morning. So there's people camping out here, but a lot of nice JDM rides. FC, see some S14s, got some American muscle, Fox body. And I'm literally standing right here, like it's crazy. Super cool. Aristo? Yeah, I feel like I'm back in Japan right now. Check this out. Not gonna lie, I really didn't know what to expect coming out here. Cool to see a Fox body Mustang and an S14 going at it, door to door. A lot of S chassis out here. Oh man, that was crazy. Oh man.
You have never seen a BMW jump before?
Oh man, crazy. Did not expect that. Dang. I hope everybody in the car is okay. It looked like the driver got out. It looked like somebody got out and signaled that they're okay, but I'm not sure. All right, we're gonna pause right here, and we'll pick back up once everything's cleared. All right, guys, it looks like the driver's okay. He's actually driving the car. Hearing a lot of people clapping and cheering, so dang, that was crazy. Did not expect that. All right, guys, drifting has resumed. We got some JDM rides out here. Owner Corey over here, we've been talking a little bit, showing me his LS swapped S14. This thing is a purpose-built drift missile. This thing is sweet. The old 5.3 LS. And his friends over here, they got a bunch of FCs. I think he was saying one is LS swap and the other one's got a 13B, but super, super clean. S13s, nice, nice, nice. And walk around, check these out. Is this taboo to you guys? I dig an LS RX-7. Nice 80. So that BMW that rolled, there's a big lip right here. I think just came in a little too hot. You can see some of the debris over there, crazy. Super clean S14. This is cool right here. Check this out. That's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. Until then, catch you on the next one. Later.